Floss the ADF to fix repeated document feeder jams on HP printers. You can floss the document feeder to fix repeated jams in the automatic document feeder, or ADF for short. Flossing the document feeder is effective for clearing staples, paper clips, small bits of paper, or other objects stuck in areas of the printer that are hard to access. To complete these steps, you will need a manila folder, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Before beginning, remove any visible pieces of paper from the ADF. Power off the printer and disconnect the power cord. Cut the manila folder into an 8.5-inch by 11-inch letter-sized piece of paper. This will be the flossing sheet. Use the latch on the ADF to lift the ADF hatch. If the scanner does not have a latch, lift the ADF hatch itself. Insert the flossing sheet into the paper path. Pull the flossing sheet all the way through and remove it from the paper path. The flossing sheet forces out any objects stuck in the ADF. Close the ADF hatch until it clicks into place. Connect the power cord and power on the printer.